Hello, my name is Chikamso Ekwe, a personal development strategist, copywriter, and a graphic designer. Actually, a few days ago, we took a class organized by Brother Dabo on 7 pillars of effective self-system. And I can tell you the class was very much impactful for me. I don't know if you know the person, but I learned a lot from that class. Okay. Okay, after the first day of the class, actually my head was buzzing. I was like, hey. Okay, number one thing I learned from the class is that when it comes to marketing is just like a relationship, like it's just like dating between you and your audience, okay, so that they will know you, like you, trust you, then they can buy from you, okay. And number two thing I love from the class is that when it comes to your digital content creation, you make sure that the content you are putting for your audience have to meet them at that particular point they are. Sure, you grab. Okay, for number three I learned from the class is that actually this one taught me very is that make sure that your offer outweighs the price you are giving there. Like make sure the value you are giving has to do with your offer outweighs the price you price your product, okay, so that if you want people to release their money to you. Actually, I've seen a lot of coaches, entrepreneurs, a lot of online consultants, in fact, experts do that, but most times I do not consider it like that. But for now, I've started to currency that. In fact, I've already started applying it. So I urge you to get that training, get that class. I mean, you will learn a lot. Okay, you learn a lot has to do with lead magnet, traffic generation, digital content creation, and this test for you to consider if you want to be visible in this online space. Okay. Once again, my name is Chikamso Ekwe. Have a blessed day ahead and